Does your child know how to say the letters and sounds in the alphabet? Hi everybody, my name is Jo, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pronounce the letters and the sounds in the alphabet. Why am I doing this? Well, because some parents that I have been working with have been asking this question, and I thought, well, I may as well share it with everybody else because you might find it useful too. So if I show you the board, we say the letters first, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And the sounds: A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And now something that begins with each sound. A, apple. B, ball. K, cat. D, dog. E, elephant. F, fish. G, gorilla. H, hat. I, igloo. J, jam. K, kite. L, lion. M, monkey. N, net. O, octopus. P, pig. Qu, queen. Rabbit. S, sun. T, tiger. Umbrella. V, van. W, watch. X, box. Y, yo-yo. Z, zebra. Okay, I hope that helps everybody, and if you would like some more tips and tricks for phonics, then please feel free to join my free school community, and I will see you inside. Bye everyone.